Good morning, guys. Good morning. What's going on this morning? How are you guys doing on this beautiful morning? Hope you guys doing wonderful. All right, so guys, you know me already. I'm on my early morning routine. I'm eating some lettuce, some vegetables. Amazing. What I want you guys to do, I want you guys to grow some organic lettuce and do a taste test. And I guarantee you, you will see a big difference. Doing a taste test with the one you grow and the one you purchase and see the big difference you're gonna get from that. The, the taste is amazing. And then you don't need any dressing to go with these things. The taste is just awesome. But yes guys, let's get serious down to what is really going on. Are you guys aware of what's really taking place? Are you aware that people losing jobs left, right, and center? Are you aware that when these things start occurring, what is really taking place? Are you aware that everything is just closing in? The wall becomes so small. The wall was like a big place, but the wall has become so small because of technology. You could contact somebody from another part of the wall in seconds. You could be on the phone seeing that person in a different part of the wall. Are you seeing how the wall has closed in? How the wall has become small? If you're not seeing this, guys, you better wake up. It's time to wake up. It's all happening. It's all going down. You could stay and you could sit and say what you want. Because there's no unity for such a long time, and because instead of people come together, they're battling with each other, they're fighting against the wrong set of people. And this thing has transformed so deep that it's hard for anyone to do anything. It's like you just got to deal with the situation. But one thing I could tell you guys, trying to be a little independent for yourself could help you. Try to eat more healthy can help you. Try to grow your own food, being self-sufficient can help you. Try to save in important things like seed and valuable stuff can help you. Because money might be able to help you. Money might be able to help you in certain situation. But if you have some seed, you might be able to barter seed for some food or something, a shelter, a tarpaulin to cover a shed. Prepare yourself. Be self-sufficient. If the jobs is melting away, people cannot get jobs. People cannot afford to feed themselves. People cannot afford to keep a roof over their house. What you think gonna happen? What you think gonna happen? People not gonna sit down hungry and you have food to eat. They're gonna come looking. It's best we start preparing ourselves, try to be self-sufficient, try to be a little independent that you could provide for your family. Many people talking about these things and many people is either they're not aware or they don't care. I understand. That's your decision. But to what I'm seeing, guys, it's all going down. It's all wrapping up. It's all squeezing in. It's all happening. At least try to have something, some skills. Because if you have skills, you will survive. I'm going to tell you this. These days, it's wise to try to acquire skill that machine cannot do. Because machine is taking over the jobs, but there's certain thing that the hands can do that the machine cannot do. Study these skills and learn them. That's a way you will be able to survive. Because machine is winning as far as we see, everywhere we go. The thing about it is sometimes we believe it's robots gonna be walking over and taking over the jobs. No, that's not the case. It's machine, actually machine taking over the jobs. Like we go in a store, machine. We don't need a bunch of cashier anymore because the machine taking over the job. So what humanity gonna do? What mankind gonna do? You see what I'm saying? How are you gonna survive? If you have mortgage, rent, whatever, how are you gonna survive? Think about it, guys. It's all happening. It's all coming down. You have to wake up. You gotta be self-sufficient. Stop trying to impress people. Impress yourself and your children. Impress your children. Show them that you trying to prepare something in case anything happen. They could survive. They could live. They could eat. Save seed. Learn to grow seeds. Learn to grow food. Herbs is important. Learn about herbs. You see what I'm saying? Because when the doctor bill get expensive, if you have the herbs, you could use herbs and help you. Study the herbs, study the remedies, study what these herbs can do to you. It's time to wake up. Wake up, people. Stop sleeping. It's time to wake up. Are you seeing what's happening? And guys, this is all over the world. This is not just one country. This is happening all over the world. Be mindful, be aware, guys. This thing is serious. Okay? When I look around and I see what's really happening, I'm see I'm start seeing the fear in people's eyes. I'm start seeing the because a lot of people paying attention and a lot of people understanding what's really happening. You could see the fear in people's eye because you could wake up tomorrow and here you know you lose your job. You could wake up next week and here you there's no more work for you. Bank is closing. Everywhere is closing. Look at what's going on. Look how much food facility burned down. All these things. It's closing in. It's tightening in to the place where you wouldn't have no choice. If you didn't start preparing yourself now, you wouldn't have any choice. All I'm trying to say, guys, not here to scare anyone, just trying to make people be aware of what actually going down. It's time to wake up. It's time to put things in place in case things happen. You have means of surviving. You have means of providing. It's getting serious. It's getting serious. So what are you gonna do? Or what you intend to do? Community need to get back together and work together. This is the time. Get back together, work together. You're living in a community, you should get back together so people could actually survive through each other.